Even the smaller things, they come with the same kind of track, it's just smaller.
Yeah.
Has the road bed already.
They also have the Polar Express.
Oh, okay. Alright. Now that one's just so black.
I mean,
It looks so.
steam trains are black.
I know, but that one has steam. Okay, this one has steam too, and it's just more colorful.
Okay, you like color.
Yeah, so that one is the same track.
That's the same track? Okay.
Really, it's made to run with that line out remote. I don't have that, but I'll show you. This is that Santa Fe Chief one up there, right here, by line out.
Oh, the one that's running right now. This
Yeah,
one?
this one right here.
Oh, don't burn on my train.
It was running earlier.
Yes,
We
yeah.
were watching it
You
earlier.
gotta get it up to like 60 or 75. How did you do that?
So it's kind of since we're not using the actual that remote.
I have the remote down
It's a lot
there.
easier to do that. So what you have to do is you have to go throttle up. So you hear the.
Oh, until you hear like.
Until you hear the engine sound. Now it doesn't do it. See, we had yours original remote.
Yeah.
But so it's kind of tricky to do with this, but with the original one, it doesn't fly every time.
Direction.
Since we're not using the original remote, it doesn't want to. But yeah, so it'll make you can make the conductors will speed. It'll make the sounds. You can do the horn, the bell, and I'm not sure what else.
Why don't we open up the trunk and see if